So what's up, good people? Hope you're all doing well. Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle again. She's about to grace your amazing screens with an amazing recipe. So as usual, our recipes are simple. On this amazing day, we are making simple chicken wings. Who doesn't want to test this? This is what you are going to make. I'm going to walk you through the steps, very simple steps, but in a few you'll be having a mouth-watering meal. So let's head straight on to our ingredients of the day. Now you can enjoy. So our ingredients of the day are over here, as you see. Details of measurements of what these ingredients are, they'll be available in the description box. So we are beginning with dark soy sauce. We are adding 3 tablespoonfuls. Each of these spices I'm going to add 2 teaspoonfuls. 1, 2. Onion powder, curry spice, paprika, ginger, mixed spices, so we mix them properly. Let's put a tablespoonful of cooking oil. Oh, here they are. Then for our chicken wings, cut here. Then you do this so that the spices can get inside the meat. Add there. And the reason for cutting here and here, so that when we put them on the pan to fry, the surface will be properly placed on the pan. When they are like this, this part will not fry. We want to nicely Mix. So they already look edible. I believe they are properly mixed. Yeah, step 2 done. So on to the next thing, something I can mention. You can choose to skip the marination part or you can marinate. For instance, for me I'm skipping. But you can marinate these for at least 30 minutes, but you can go even all the way to 2 hours. So onto my double pan, I'm adding a little cooking oil. And this is the reason as to why I haven't marinated my kitchen, because I'm not going to deep fry. This is not deep frying. I believe by the time they are getting ready, they'll have sucked all the juiciness in the spices. Then remember, soy sauce has salt, so you're just putting a pinch of salt. This is very little cooking oil. So I'll begin to add my pieces of meat. You see the reason as to why I was cutting here and here. I wanted them to be, the base to be this flat. So let's fry those ones for now. Meanwhile guys, like my video, subscribe, comment, click on the notification bell so that every other time I'm uploading a new recipe, you are notified on the same. So you gently turn. Just keep turning so that they don't burn. So at this point, at least each wing is cooked on both sides. So I want to reduce my fire. Then I let them cook for like 5 to 8 minutes while they are covered. So after 8 minutes of cooking, let's check and see how they look like. Not bad. So next thing, we shall make our sauce. So final step, we are preparing the sauce that we are going to coat our wings with. You can enjoy them at this point, but let's make some sauce. This is ketchup. Then some honey. So this is just for some 5 seconds. Oh, it's ready. Let me just mix. Ensure every part is coated with ketchup.